Hi guys!
Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome
to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what do we have here?
So today we have these NanoLeaf light panels.
We also have their bulbs and
LED light strip right here. So these are the light panels, the strips, and the bulbs from NanoLeaf, and these work as like RGB panels, as I said, and you can change the colors and make different designs with them. So here you guys can see we have the triangle ones here,
and then
a smaller triangle expansion pack, and
hexagon expansion pack.
The great thing is that all of these can work together.
But you also need to buy a smarter kit to start it, and then you have to buy the extension pack later.
Yes, so the smarter kit is what helps you start it because it comes with the charger and everything else. And then you can add these extension packs onto any of them. So I could add the little triangles onto the hexagon or the triangles.
And then we have this light strip over here, which you can put around your desk or on your room's roofs or where.
And we have 4 bulbs in total, which are RGB bulbs, which you can change the color.
So you can put it on your lamps or ceiling fans.
So the reason we got everything from NanoLeaf, even though it might be cheaper to get it from like a different place, is that it just makes it way simpler because now you can just use one app to control all of it. And it's more.
So it's in one ecosystem.
And NanoLeaf is also a good brand, so it'll also help like
reliable.
It'll be reliable, and you know what to do. And another great thing is that these all work with Apple HomeKit, so you can use them with your like thermostat if you have, or maybe some kind of other device, and you can just control it all from the home app.
So these can. So which one works with Alexa? So the light strip,
all of these are able to work with Alexa
and
Google Assistant and HomeKit and Smart Things and IFTT. You guys can see that's everything it works with. And then it also has HomeKit, which is like the main thing. It's like made for it, so that's like on the front. So
this also has an app which you can control everything, like
the NanoLeaf app, which comes with presets you can download from like the community and stuff and other things. It's really simple.
And you can also customize it, right?
Yep. So let's start opening them. So we'll start off with the smarter kit since that's what starts most of it. Let's put these. Okay, so you guys can see these are all the finished lights. We have a huge triangle right here. We made out of 3 different panels we unboxed. You guys can see small triangle, the hexagon, and the big triangle. So
you might need all 3 tape mounts, mounting tape, so it can stay together.
Yes.
So do you like it?
Yeah. So these lights look really cool, as you guys can see.
The bulbs also. The strip.
Yep, everything is really cool. It's all controlled from one app right here on your phone, the NanoLeaf app. You can also pair it with your
Siri, and then just say, "Hey Siri, turn the lights red."
Yeah, with the HomeKit, now you can just tell Siri to turn everything red. And you guys can see it looks really cool. It looks really beautiful too. You can create your own designs. It's all customizable. And
the community is also quite good. So
thank you guys for watching
this video. Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.